morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. We are back. We are ready. Tuesday morning. Whoops. Ready to roll. My mic in the right spot. We did have a runner yesterday in AOV. It looks like I had FDA news later in the day. It went from 30 cents to $1, all the way back to 30 cents after an offering. So you got to love a round trip in about 12 hours. Maybe a little bit more than 12 hours, but a full round trip from 30 to 1 back to 30. It's bounced a little bit back to 50 cents now. But we did have a little bit of movement yesterday, so maybe that's a good sign. I don't know. We'll see. The puts I had yesterday and got shook out of at 30 cents. Went to like 280 later in the day. $2.80 from 30 cents. Would have been absolutely phenomenal. And I was completely right about the market falling off yesterday. I knew it was going to be a red day. Knew we were going to have a bearish day. It was going to pull back. Maybe, I think I said 395 to 397. That's about what it did. But with options, you got to be right at the right time on the right day. You know, time it up, yada, yada. So you got to, like, hit perfection. So, it is what it is. It happens. Not the first time I've missed out on a big game. So, let's see. What's up, Broda? Frenurky, Money Mindset, aka Discipline. I'll always call you Discipline. Mick, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome in, guys. Like to see the green names in the chat. Looking like another slower morning. We do have a 63% runner. What's up, JD? 63% runner in APEN. It's at $9.80. But honestly, the chart of the day right here, 30 cents, $1, 30 cents.
GOL BLRX.
COSM was following NAOB up, but it looks like it's faded back as NAOB has faded. Not completely, though. This one's been running for days now. I mean, it took off over 20 for whatever reason that one day. Went to 60. Kind of had an inside bar day. Yesterday, it started to break back out again. And then after hours, it broke even higher. So now it's trading around 80s. I think it went into the 90s, maybe. Yeah, it went to 90.
GGB.
So I'm guessing comms. Yep. Hellbiz.
UGP.
Yep. So all these little crappy little pennies are starting to go. I mean, if we could start a theme, that'd be great. I'll take it. I'll take it. I won't complain one bit. But NAOB, man, they didn't waste any time dropping that offering. Market is up just barely from yesterday. Trying to hold the 396 level. Went as low as 395 yesterday. We kind of saw that coming though. ASPI. Yeah, I thought it was going to go to like 395 to 398. Looks like it's got a little bit of volume. What's up, Berkey? $25-year supply agreement valued up to $27 million per year. Not bad, I guess. Never heard of the ticker before, ever. So it's a new company. It's an IPO.
PVR.
Maybe. Fresh IPO with news. I mean, maybe. And the float's not insanely high. Hold on one second. Well, it's been 2 years since we've seen anything go parabolic. So I don't know about parabolic, but I can see it going. Yeah, I can't even remember what parabolic even means. I don't even know what a pattern breakout looks like. But it's hanging around. Nothing crazy volume-wise yet. So SPY hanging around the 390s. I think Amazon had a offering news, maybe. I don't think that makes a huge difference for Amazon, though. So today we have consumer confidence, I think, at 10. So I'm guessing we want to see the consumer's confidence like at a negative level. I don't know. We want people to think that the world is ending. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Anything interesting? Yeah, ASPI is the third top gainer right now. OTIC, I'm guessing, is just a penny that's up. ONCS probably had news. Yeah, straight up, straight down, though. Material agreement. Everything's green on this watch list right now just because of how ugly yesterday was. Where's Bitcoin at today? $16.4, so it's actually relatively strong compared to the market. It's starting to fade off a little bit right now, though. I think SPY is as well. Thank God that didn't feel. It was just a big fake out. I'll try maybe 1,000 shares there on the volume. $125,000 shares are traded at 290, which is kind of weird. Guess I'll risk like 280 on this. Nothing's really happening on it right now, but I mean, nothing's really moving at all. This thing's got news, 15 million float, recent IPO. So it has the recipe to be something okay, but you guys know what the time that we're in. So you can have the best chart, best recipe, best float, best news, and it doesn't even matter. It won't even go up 1 cent.
You.
It reads okay. Not much volume though, only 76K on this 5 minute.
UPXI.
When's the last time we've seen a breakout or like even a push from pre-market? That's roughly our pattern, but it kind of looks like a descending triangle, which is not ideal. I mean, you could look at it from here, you know, to here, across, but it looks very descending with 280 being clear support. I'm not taking one share more than 1,000. Just because there's no trust out there to even be had. New 5 minute candle here. See if we trade another 100,000 shares on 290 without breaking it. It would go straight to 295 over the break, but I'd love to sell at 3, lock in $100 in pre-market in 2022. So it's traded almost 10,000 more shares here without even hitting this ask. Still says 1,024. So it's a big hidden ask. So 14,000 more have been traded on 290 on 1,000 ask. That's always fun. In 2022 fashion, though, I would imagine that I would say over 295 is really the breakthrough point. But with all this hidden ask BS, I don't know what's real and what's not. Just looking at level 2, it needs over 295. 100. So what? 25,000 shares have traded on 1,000 asks now. In 2022 fashion, I would probably pull down to 280, wick around, and then box it up. Nothing clear, no pattern breaks. That'd be silly. All right, here we go. That means that there's 1,000 ask here, and 25,000 shares got bought on it, and it didn't disappear.
CGEN.
And that's not what you want to see. You'd like to see a hidden bidder, but not a hidden seller's bad. Unless it can just make its way through it. But, I mean, it's traded 155,000 shares at 290. That's probably, yeah, that's the most out of any spot. Invax just got a little PR. Says the World Health Organization updates emergency use listing for Novavax for COVID-19 vaccine as primary series in adolescents as a booster in adults. And we break 290. It's like watching paint dry. EQOS announces delisting notice and suspension of trading as of tomorrow morning. So that's dead. It was already 15 cents, but it's dead now. See ya. Alrighty. So we got up to 290 again. Didn't even test it this time. Market's going lower here. This thing just has no volume. Nothing has volume. Freaking 7K on this 5-minute candle. Give us like a 50K stick. I mean, in a better market, my God, this would have already been up a lot. Fresh IPO, good news, low float. Invax trying to go. All right, we're back to 288. This is awful. This is why I have not been trading pre-market. Thank God I started at 8:30. I can only imagine if I tried to take this trade at 8 and I was still in at 8:53 and it was still in the same freaking spot. Now we're up to 9,400 volume on this 5-minute candle.
Odic.
Dang, we went it to 10K volume. $288. Market, I'm guessing we'll chop around until the consumer confidence. Is that what it usually does, Broda? I don't pay attention to this. I don't like it being at 10 a.m.
TRKA.
New 5-minute candle. Starting to sell. Yeah, this is just awful. JD. I've had nightmares about the stock market that's better than this. Record-breaking 2,000 volume on this 5-minute.
GMBL. Read.
I can't believe this is real life right now. Yeah, I'm about to sell right now. If 285 gets chipped anymore, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. See ya. All right, time for Contexto. Sucks. Trash. Hey, Optim PM, welcome to the inner circle. Thank you, thank you. enjoy your nice green name. If you link your Discord, you will have access to that little badge next to your name, as well as another channel. So it's somewhat similar to Trash. Person. Okay. Oh, we're really close right now. Oh my gosh.
MEGL.
What? Am I missing something here? Like, what's more similar to girl? I tried lady, woman, wife, mom, no, sister, no, aunt, no,
HYZN.
daughter, no. I don't know. I don't know. Agri got a patent.
USEA.
USEA dividend.
MFG.
That's it. All right. What is similar to girl, daughter, woman? Hey, thanks for the sub as well. I mean, I could try female. Doesn't like that. Let me do one tip. See. No way. What does... Just because a woman has a baby? That's stupid. That's so dumb. So it's more related to a woman just because they have a baby. Okay.
LHDX.
Cool. Ah, I see this thing's still in the same spot. Cool.
HUSA. VIVK. CELU.
VIVK growth of 1,118% in the third quarter. Man, if a stock doesn't go on that news, holy.
BBLT.
Yeah, ASPI was putting me to sleep. Maybe, we'll see. Looks like it decided to get a little bit of a spike after it looked like it was full dead down here.
ASTS.
Um,
EQOS.
yeah, appreciate you joining. Thanks for supporting the channel. That's funny.
OJ.
I mean, this thing's back at the 290 level and it's traded 171,000 shares now on it.
Abro.
Real 13G 5.4%. ASPI. Frozen in time over here. Market bounced.
ICAD.
So I'm guessing something that was down bounced. Not Apple. Tesla. Tesla, nice bounce here. Yeah, probably Tesla is the big one.
TRKA.
Amazon, not really. So I think it was Tesla that's leading us back up now. We spotted the bottom on Tesla whenever that was a few days ago, like a week ago now. Over here. Because it was like, oh, this thing's prompt to push towards 175 again. And it just chopped around this one day, tried to dive, it never did. And then ever since, it's just been on a grind. Appreciate you guys showing up every day, really do. Because, I mean, we are in probably the most boring market period for content and for like just showing you guys like trades and all this other stuff right now than I have ever seen. So it's extremely boring. I try to make it, you know, somewhat fun with the games and talking about other stuff, but my God, the market is just dreadful. Maybe. Just depends on the setup. Depends on the setup. From what I saw pre-market, it looks just super slow. Unless they're just holding under 290 in pre-market just so they can load up as much as they can to send it. I don't know. But on that note, we move on to our next game of Wordle.
AEI.
And it's going to be... Start with this. Okay. Yeah, if you can come out of this a great trader, then you're going to be a fantastic trader just in a normal market. Plain. No.
MBI. BBLT.
Okay, there is a D. So it's blank. In. Wait. In. Indy? No? What the heck is this?
MEGL. PBR.
Oh, okay. What? Int. Ing.
Hi.
In. J. Undo. Undo. Yeah, probably undo. I wrote off the U since we already had it. So double use. Yep, that's it. That's it. Wow. Yeah, that's a word. So I think I entered this right here at 840. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20. After 25 minutes, it's still in the same spot.
IDEX.
Can you believe it? All right, I'm gonna take my break and feed the dogs and all that, and I will be back.
EQOS. Billy. OJ. RMGC. HLN. VIBK. USEA. SPRC. UPXI. Agri. IHS. USEA. USEA. Hi. BSQR. VLRX. UGP. ONCS. FWBI. CELU. TMF. Ode. DIVIVK. CRNC.
Hello. ONCS, check it out. Hey. I think I pulled this up earlier, and it's like a senior note, something. Yeah, I started reading this, and like convertible promissory note and security agreement for a wholly owned subsidiary. Like, I was just gone. Maturity date, like, just stop. I don't care. Yeah, I mean, if you're gone for 5 minutes, you miss a whole move in this market. They usually last around 5 full minutes if they happen. And then in the second 5 minutes, you're back home. So this one was, so the first breakout was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. And then 15 minutes of death. And then traded around for an hour to spike 5 minutes. So 2 1-minute candles whenever VWAP. Yeah, wow. 2 whole minutes. That's freaking gnarly.
CSAN.
Where's our friend Aspie at now? Oh, just, it's like somebody flatlined on the operating table over here. So ONCS, I guess. Best luck. This is not a bad ad spot, around 310 if you're trying to trade it. I think I'll be waiting. There's only 8 minutes to the bell. But we got one more game to play. For a little bit of content entertainment. Okay. Probably a quarterback in the NFC. Let's go, I don't know why. Carson Wentz. Okay, quarterback. Older. Don't tell me it's old Tom Brady, is it? I should have just guessed Tom Brady first. Should we try the hard? I think it can be anyone in the entire NFL. So I don't know if I can get this. It's just random. Go random, like right here. Okay, so NFC. Under 6'1", so potentially a running back. Okay, let's just go Saquon Barkley. Okay, so it's on the offense, but it's not a running back. Kyler Murray. No, not a QB either. Under 5'10"?
TMF.
Under 5'10", but not a running back. Is there any under 5'10" wide receivers? Yeah, it's not a running back, though. And there's no way it's a lineman under 5'10". It's got to be a wide receiver under 5'10" in the NFC. Who is that? I don't have a clue. Scotty Miller's not that short, is he? He is. How was it not him? Who else can be 5'9" in the NFC South? Wide receiver. And he's older, a little bit older. Older than 26, actually. On Tampa Bay, so it's on the Saints. Jarvis Landry that short? I don't think so, right? No, he's 5'11". So Falcons.
BLDR.
Or Panthers. Gotta be Panthers, I think. Let's just go DJ Moore. No, okay, so it is the Falcons. I don't know a Falcons receiver that's 5'9". I have no idea. Anyone have any clue without me looking it up? I think Drake London and Kyle Pitts are the only people I even know on the roster. Had issues off the field. I can't think. All I can think of is Cordell Patterson, Drake London, and Kyle Pitts. And Kyle Pitts the tight end. 5'9" wide receiver? Russell Gage? Is he still on the team? Oh, no, he went to Tampa Bay. I don't know, I gotta look it up.
GGB.
Bird. Demir Bird. Yep. The Pats had him for a year. I didn't know he was 5'9". Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get a Dr. Pepper, I forgot.
MITK. QFIN. OCGN. SABR. Dada, DTIL. PXMT.
Okay.
Geo.
ONCS, that was the entry. At 315-ish level. But to have confidence in something actually curling back up after a random spike, you can't. Not yet.
CINC.
All right, let's look at SPY, Apple, Tesla. So SPY opening week. Calvin Ridley. Okay, yeah. He bet on the game. And he wasn't even playing in. And he got suspended for longer than Deshaun Watson. Speaking of Deshaun Watson, he is back this week. Will he get booed onto the field? Probably. Jacoby Brissett's been doing really well.
NUTX.
I think this is like his best season. So maybe he'll get a contract next year. And then he'll go back to sucking.
IOVA. CSA.
I feel like he could start somewhere.
DX.
Apple big nasty here.
LTA. Staff.
The Bank of England will start to sell the government bonds bought as a part of emergency action to halt recent chaos in the UK markets. Interesting. HLBZ just had a little PR. It is 9:30, baby.
OGI, GO, CTRN, KSCP, KSCP, MLCO, USEM, JFIN, BZOZ, NFGC,
Tesla week, Apple week.
SFT, CTO, ARMDC, YMM, CNTX, IKNA, CSAN, DTEBNTC billing. APCX, KWEB.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Tesla pushing.
MNSO. USEI, CTRN, OJ, CN, GO, COSM, CSTL, TORR, CORG, APCX, CRNC.
Okay, Tesla trying to give up now.
AMBC, Bach.
I still don't trust any small caps to trade them, really. I'm just going to watch options for the rest of the week, I guess. Till something shows me that it's going to actually continue and hold and push, you know. I mean, whatever that ticker was yesterday, the N one, it went up. But it went all the way back home within 12 hours.
NFGC.
So that wrecks confidence.
CITL, TKLF.
Tesla, low day. Looking a little weak here.
SBEV. CNTB, GO. Tour. Beam. NRXP.
ASPI are still adding. Okay. After this morning, I don't know if I really want to take it. Went below that 280 support as well.
NFGC. Comms. LND.
I don't know what to expect from the market right now.
Duo.
What's strong right now? Tesla week, Apple week. Am I missing something? Microsoft? Yeah, it's freaking Microsoft. Isn't it? Okay, Microsoft's looking weaker now. Tesla, another low day. Apple low day. SPY, hammer up.
NRXP. Odict.
Are you bullish today, bro? I don't know. The past couple days have been very strange. I don't know how to feel. Tesla off a cliff here. Meta's still remotely strong. Look at this Tesla waterfall, though.
CJJD, CSTL.
We got that news, the consumer confidence or whatever at 10.
Oil, DMLP. SBSW.
Apple low of day.
Val Plus, Juco. 4.
SPY loves to hammer on Apple low of day, doesn't it? Dang.
NAT. ATHM, DFEV, VIVK, USEA. Caro. Neon. Odic. Bet Plus. ASHR. ONCS. CN.
Brian's past the whole 396. I miss small caps, man. I hate having to watch this stuff. Apple just off a cliff over here. Coming back down to this low end wick support here, but SPY, super strong and Apple death. Look at that. Look at that hammer. It's going to go a green candle on this Apple murder candle.
HUYA.
1 minute left in this 5-minute candle. Yeah, turd. Everything's a turd in small cap land after open. All right, let's see if they close this 5-minute candle under. Yeah, it's really close here. We'll see what happens.
VBLT.
Last 20 seconds of the 5-minute.
TAT. ODEC. MBOT. ATHM. Billy.
It may be trying it right here. This bounce.
Tall.
If Apple can bounce strong here, the market's going to push hard. I agree. I agree.
ARWR.
But there's a lot of ifs in there.
ACXP. COSM. NFGC.
Now the Apple is going green and Tesla's going green. The market's not really pushing that hard.
Kala. Bach. ADMP.
Maybe right here, Tesla looking way stronger now.
GMBD. Wind. Bet Plus. EGY.
Up through 396.50 would be good.
ORIC. SPPP. CTRN. INZY. B. ODEC.
Yeah, you can pretty much guarantee everything small cap wise after the bell is going to be weak. There it is. 396.50. As long as it doesn't reject super hard, we can go.
GCT. RNLX.
Apple looks much stronger now. I looks much weaker now. Love it. I love it. I love it. I freaking love it. Like, this is why I trade SPY and options, man. Because it makes just all the sense in the world. Okay, I do not want to listen to this music. Start back from the top. This is funny. Apple's all the way back to 144 and SPY's hanging on by a thread, baby.
GCT.
So all it took to kill SPY or to start to kill it is the Apple strength, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen.
ATHM. Call.
2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle.
LSF. KC. COSM. GCT.
Looking pretty nasty so far. Looking really nasty so far. 1 minute left. Back under 396. Ooh, gross.
CTRN. NRXP. GCT.
Yep, I'm gonna get God again, baby. Smacked. Yeah, that's a big loss. Big loss there on a call. Took it when this wouldn't break down with Apple weakness. So once Apple started bouncing, took long. I think it went up like 2 or 3 cents and then absolutely faded off. Hard as possible.
TWKS.
And we should new high day from here, I would imagine. After that fat loss.
ODEC. COSM. BIGC. CNTX. VIVK. Max.
Apple low of day, Tesla low of day, SPY low of day.
BAT. ADMP.
So that was just a whole screwball session right here.
CDTX. JFU. ONCS. CH. JNC. The con. GCB. ADMP. Send. DBLT. Send. MHUA. ADMP.
Full strength again. That's scary. That's scary.
STSA. ODEC. VINP. AENZ. AEMSGM. TWKS LDB. Appen. NEPT. MRKR. TKNO. Again.
Market off a cliff today. Just get wrecked. Tesla looks horrendous. Apple new lows from yesterday. Let's go to 15-minute. Yeah, Apple daily looks awful now.
ODEC.
Yeah, we have to go to 395 though, right?
Sid. Appen. KC. GCT. GCT. ATAT.
Last minute of the 5 minute here.
Send. VAXX. OJ. Course. Max. Course. BBAI. MHUA.
All right, new 5 minute candle. Let's see what they do.
USEA. SBI. TC. TTOL. BCAN. USDA. Cent.
Jeez. Man, they got a weak today. That confidence report or whatever is in 10 minutes. I don't know if it'll bounce into that or what. Man, Apple just looks so bad.
View. ALLK.
Okay, SPY looks a little bit better now. Just barely.
HUIZ.
Microsoft is weak now. So that means the push down lower is going to be even more ferocious.
ONCS.
Is that what I gather from that?
ODEC. MEIP. Read. QNRX. OBLG.
Is this one like actually super important or not?
YY. CDRB. MINM. GLBS. UPHI. BTB. MRM. NOAA.
Important enough for a big stick. Okay.
MEC. NRXP. VLN. ODEC. QIPT. KPLT. CDRC. NRXP. NEPT. FXLV. Tops. SUPV. MCN. PVBC. DINC.
If it's bad though, my gosh, we're gonna get wrecked because it looks awful right now.
MRM.
Apple straight waterfall, Tesla straight waterfall, Microsoft straight waterfall.
WHG. ODEC. PBBC.
It's pretty crazy how weak it is, really.
GHG. AKAN. OWLT. OWLT.
It's gonna be an interesting squeeze if it is good, though.
CDRC. ODEC, ARBK, LSF, VIVK, RLX, M, VIVK, SON, CDRB,
What was lows from yesterday? 395.10.
PFSW. EQOS. CRNC, CNTX, ULBI, SWVL, SOF.
All right, we'll see what happens.
SID. ODEC, STBX,
The weakness right now in stocks are insane, though.
AUTL,
Like SPY is not overall as weak as stocks are.
LSF, ADMA, THMO, PMO, THMO, LSF, PIC, NVAX, CRNC,
3 minutes to go.
EVAX, ODEC, PJH,
Very curious to see what happens here.
AMRX, VAXX, VRCA, PBLA, HYPR, PBLA, THMO, KLTR, 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 VRC, RLX, XIN, ODIC, PBLA, ENBB, UPXI,
Getting some buying up to it, which is interesting. Usually that's not a good sign.
PBLA, MNTS, IVDA, QTEK, CAL, OCFT,
Yeah, JD, nothing has any kind of volatility or volume follow through action. All right, 20 seconds. About to see what happens. Either a nasty red day coming, or we're gonna bounce pretty big.
OESX, NAOB, BTB,
Nothing so far.
BTB, COSN,
100.2.
PBLA, CTRN, ITRG, kind, LGHL,
See if it holds.
CAP, CNSNAOB, ODIC, RLX, ODIC, PRTH, HTOL,
Not looking like it wants to hold.
BRCA, BGFC, Shell, Econ, CNSP, CNTX,
Oh, we're fading back already.
ODIC, RNLX, RLX, CLRB,
Maybe it's just baking it in. It looks sort of bullish here. Stocks are trying to curl off the bottom. May just need a little bit of action to really get going. I don't know.
PBLA, MIT, CLEU, ODIC, OST,
Candle's almost red now. Wow.
RNAWBI,
Yeah, this market is absolutely disgusting, JD. Absolutely disgusting.
OBLG. ZH. ODEC. EQOS. Pop. Pop. CNS. UBPH. CH. CH. LND. HTOL.
Gonna end at low candle. Looks like not much left on this candle.
XNET. IH.
Next candle starts to fade. We are in for it. Tesla and Apple look much stronger now, but SPY just doesn't want to follow today.
EQOS. PBLA.
Maybe they can push it through next 5-minute candle. I don't know.
ODEC. Icon. TEDU.
Look at that weakness. Look at that freaking SPY weakness. Ew.
YPA. VGFC.
Alright guys, I am out for the day. I may not trade options or SPY ever again after the last couple days. I remember last week went okay smooth. I remember this week why I absolutely freaking hate it. So we are off for the day. I will see you guys back here tomorrow morning.